Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the real fix for the black and white display issue on your iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings we're going to go down and tap on Accessibility, then tap on Display and Text Size. In here you want to go down and tap on Color Filters, and if it is turned on you want to turn it off, because once it is turned on, grayscale is properly selected, and that is what causing your screen to go black and white. So nothing is really wrong with your screen, it's just that grayscale has been selected, and that's why the screen is black and white. So now if I turn off color filters, you can see my screen will go back to a full color mode. Now another thing that can cause your screen to go black and white is in the zoom section. So at the top here we go back to Settings, and in Settings we go down and tap on Accessibility, then tap on Zoom, then we go down and you can either turn off zoom if you don't use it, otherwise you can leave zoom on. So I'm just gonna turn off this window right here. So zoom out and we go down and tap on zoom filter. Okay, if it is selected to grayscale, then sometimes that can cause the screen to go gray when we are zooming in. So if I choose, say, full screen zoom, and if I am using the zoom, you can see my window sometimes can go gray. So make sure that you go in there and turn off. So go to zoom filter and choose none, and then tap on the back key to go back to settings. And that's how you can fix the black and white display issue on your iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.